And what's up, everyone? Really appreciate you all for tuning in. Yes, we are back on live. And before you tune into the live stream, just so you know, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. So yes, please, guys, do your own research as well. But let's go over today. What happened today? Obviously, I'm waiting for our end of day swings. But yes, not a bad morning. Not a bad morning. I could definitely say. What I am waiting for, obviously, is a couple more trades. This morning, though, this is what I saw here, and target up, dude. Fireman, shout out to Scuba Steve, my guy, dude. You've been going absolutely wild. Yo, Sky Guy, what's up? What's up, dude? How are you, man? Good to see you, man. Actually, what a wild. 1 second here. What a wild morning. Good call, dude. Yeah, so. Honestly, I saw this, and yes, guys, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research, but this is basically what I saw here on the cues that I liked. I seen, well, at first, this was another wall that I had here. So I originally had a wall here. So we had a top wall, had a bottom wall here, and we were consolidating this morning, and I wanted a push down underneath to the empty space to the downside, but no, we did not get that. We ended up, so at the very last minute, and as you can see, hold on 1 second here, let me actually see if I can find it. So right here, so at the very last minute, you can see the calls that I had. We had this clear move down of all these red candles with no green candles interfering, and all that I was waiting for was a break outside of my wall here, and I was going to target to the upside. Obviously, you see that was in the morning. I was favoring puts, but as you see, we were holding above, and I was like, wow, that did look really good. As you can see, empty space. We did end up going up and targeting. So I kind of, pretty much just got in once I found that it was holding, and it ended up holding pretty nicely. So I was like, okay, doesn't look bad. Obviously, yes, there is nothing for me to do except for wait. I'm done with this trade. Not telling you guys to get into anything, so please do your own research, of course. But yeah, let's keep on going. But what a crazy trade on that. And right now, what do I see here? So yes, same thing now. Yo, Shango, what's up? What's up? Yo, TD, I can definitely do Netflix for you. No worries. All right, so NFLX. Man, what a great morning. Oh yeah, so the first thing that I've seen here, or that I see here, maybe let's do a 10-minute, let's see. 10-15 minute, all right, so let's see here. All right, I did like this 5-minute. The 5-minute didn't look that bad. So the first thing that I pretty much saw here was this, or what I see here is this clear move up of all these green candles with no red candles interfering. And, oh, I got you, bro. My bad. Yeah, I got you one with GM. GM and also Netflix, yeah. Alright, so right here, clear move up of all these green candles with no red candles interfering. This is exactly what I would want to the downside. In order for me to do this, though, I would need a top wall and also a bottom wall. So as you can see, what are these? These are area of consolidation that needs to be broken in order for us to target into where there is no consolidation. Obviously, yes, my bottom wall, what is that? Points of contact, body candle closing directly at the same wall, directly at the same line. And underneath us, there is no resistance. I don't see any resistance until, boom, this red candle here. Obviously, yes, we, caught this up to the upside this morning, but, I see a better move, well, not a better move, but a really good move as well. But yes, guys, not telling you guys to buy anything. Remember, guys, not financial advice. Please do your own research. So yes, you have to do your own research before you do anything. But yeah, it doesn't look bad. As you can see, first take profit would still be the imbalance, so the middle of the move. That's the 50% mark. This is where price can end up reversing. As you can see, yes, what are we doing? We are consolidating. So there is absolutely nothing for us to do except for just to wait. And that's exactly what I'm going to do here. As you can see. Yeah, thanks for sharing the live. Really appreciate it. I buy leaps to really hold. Dude, Fireman, yeah. If it works for you, definitely don't abandon it for sure. But yeah, that is on the cues. Let me go over Netflix, NFLX, and then we'll go over GM. So let's see. All right. I think I had something here. Let's see. Do we have? So we had a wall there. 1 second. Wow, looks like we did end up gapping up here. Where's the empties? Oh wow. So Netflix definitely going up. That does look really good. What I see here. So let's go down to a lower time frame. It looks like, yeah, we're definitely on an uptrend for sure. Let's go down to a lower time frame. So on a lower time frame, this is what I'm pretty much seeing here. And yes, I know that we're, you know, obviously on the uptrend. Obviously, yes, not financial advice. You have to do your own research, so please do your own research, of course. But the good thing that I see, I think I want to do this on the 2 hour. Let's see a 1 hour really quickly. Yeah, 2 hour looks a lot better for me. Yeah, definitely. All right, so 2 hour. This is what I'm seeing. And, you know, this is pretty self-explanatory for me. I see a very clear move up of all these green candles, or this big green candle here, with no red candles interfering. And this is exactly what I want to the downside. Obviously, yes, we're going up, so there's no entry. There's nothing for us to do except for wait. But let's look. For me, and yes, I see a top wall. See a decent wall there. So yes, top wall, bottom wall there. So there's a wick and also a body candle closing, you know, nearly at the same price. That's where price is having a hard time getting under. We break under that. I don't see any resistance until this red candle. And as you can see, this is another box. So top wall, bottom wall, boxes to boxes. Yo, Mr. Trader, what's up? What's up? Good morning. Yeah, still morning time. All right, cool. So yeah, right now, yes, we can keep on going up. I don't care about this trade at all. I'm not getting into this position at all unless I can see, you know, the empty space getting filled. My bad. 1 second here, 1 second. But yeah, that does look pretty fire. Obviously, yes, not saying you guys to buy anything. I'm only going over examples of the charts. That's pretty much it. You all have to do your own research. Obviously, my first take profit would still be the middle of the move. And that is the 50% mark between my entry and my exit. Obviously, yes, there's just nothing for us to do right now. That is on Netflix. Let me look at GM. I got you, man. Shout out to Shango for pulling up. All right, let me go ahead and get rid of these drawings. Looks like there's something here. 24-hour chart. Shout out to TD. Appreciate you for pulling up, my guy. All right, so yes. Let's go to its 4 hour, honestly, yeah. I'm not gonna lie, that 4 hour does look pretty good, man. I think I already had a chart on this. It doesn't matter. I'll do it again. So yes, let's go to a 4 hour. This 4 hour does look pretty decent. Yo, Fantastic, what's up, man? Yo, thanks for liking a lot, my guy. I really appreciate it. All right, so what is this? Clear empty space. So this is a clear move. 1 second here. Clear move down of all these red candles with no green candles interfering. And what do I see? I'm looking for a top wall and also a bottom wall as well. And these walls that I'm pretty much seeing, I see. So there's a top here. There's also bottom there. So what am I seeing? What am I looking at? 1 second there. There we go. That's perfect. And there is body wick and also another body candle closing directly at the same line. If we do end up breaking above that wall, I'm taking it up to where I see resistance. Obviously, could be right here, but I want the most recent, which is here. And this is also another box, another top wall, another bottom wall. Right now, yes, where are we? We're, you know, yesterday it did look like we did try to go over and tap, but right now there's just nothing for us to do except for wait. And as you can see, these two boxes that I'm showing, Apple, yo, what's up, what's up? Yeah, I can do Apple for you, and also SPY. What's up, Des? So Apple and SPY. Cool, let's do it. All right, yes, empty space. We have to wait because, so there is no entry at all. There's just nothing for us to do at all except for wait. And as you can see, first take profit would still be the imbalance from my entry to my exit. So this same play looks exactly like my QQQ play I called out in the VIP chat. So yes, this was what, today? You can see for the Qs, let's look at what, GM. They pretty much look the same. I look for the same setup each and every day. I don't change anything. And as for the Qs, you can see that. This is what we did on the Qs today. So the before, aftermath, all that good stuff. It was great. It was on a 30-minute chart though. So yes, actually that's a new box. But anyways, yes, we had a clear empty space here. We did end up targeting to the upside, and that was a pretty decent move. Obviously, yes, it went even further than my final take profit. But once my TPs get hit, that's when I usually trim trim all contracts. That's why we have the runners as well. But yeah, GM, that does look pretty good. That doesn't look bad though. Let me just look at Nvidia. Let's see what the damage is there. Oh wow, okay, so right here doesn't look bad. Yo, B, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. Thank you so much. And yes, if you guys, gals, do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. We have the free chat. We also have the VIP chat as well. But honestly, you can just join the free chat. But oh wow, this does look pretty amazing. Hold on, did I even set my alert? I don't even think I did I? So yeah, NVDA. Let's look at this. It doesn't look bad, and you know what? We'll go ahead and start from scratch. We'll start fresh. You guys can see what I'm already looking at. Yeah, I'll set my my alert. I got you. You did remind me too. All right, so same thing here. What is this? HSY, yo, Bulldozer, what's up? What's up? Yeah, I can definitely do that for you. HSY, yeah, I'm writing that down so I don't forget. So yeah, and yes, guys, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. So please, before tuning into the live stream, please do your own research. And yes, not financial advice. We're only going over the charts with examples, and that's it. Not telling you guys to buy anything. Obviously, yes. What is this here? I see a clear, easy move down of this big red candle with no green candles interfering. And what do we see? We need a top wall and also a bottom wall. And this top wall that I'm seeing, points of contact here, top and also this bottom there. And yes, this top wall that I'm seeing here, you can see one body candle there and another body candle there, closing directly at the same line, directly at the same wick. And let's just say we end up breaking above that wall, this level here, and this is on the 1 hour chart, so not bad. I don't see any resistance, guys, until boom, this green candle here. And what is this? This is also another box. So we don't want to trade inside of consolidation. And where are we at now? We are clearly consolidating. Looks like buyers are stepping in though. So yes, we don't want to trade inside of consolidation. We want to trade to consolidation. Obviously, there is no entry. There's nothing for us to do. You all have to do your own research, of course. So yes, not financial advice. First take profit would still be the imbalance, so the middle of the move. As you can see, what is this? We are consolidating. There's nothing for me to do. I'm not going to take anything. And yes, I set my targets. I set my trades just like today. You can see what on the Qs we had this today. You can see that at 940. This is more of a yellow entry for me. We had a clear move down. We needed a level to break. I didn't care about this trade at all until we ended up going up to the upside. And then we broke above my level. And then we went up and targeted. This was all today. But yes, guys, please do your own research, not financial advice. So yes, before tuning in, please do your own research. Yeah, thanks for the follows. Really appreciate it. But yeah, Nvidia doesn't look bad at all. What do you think about cost? Dude, yeah, let me actually take a look at that. I think I was looking at that earlier. I'm not. But yeah, Costco, yeah, we'll definitely take a look at that. So HSY, let's see what the damage is there. Let's see what we can do here. So what did you actually get in? Let me know. I haven't looked at the charts. I'm assuming it was puts. But anyways, HSY, let's go to a higher time frame, so a weekly chart. Let's see. HSY. Alright, so the weekly chart, yes, I do see a little bit of empty space down here as well. So yes, there is still a little bit of empty space. But personally, let's go to a lower time frame and try to break this one down. See if there's anything that I like. Alright, so yeah, same thing here. I will be honest, I don't like the way these candles are form, a lot of gaps in these candles. I definitely wouldn't want to take this trade though. Yo, Zachary, hey man, how's your week been? Actually, just got my first round account. Dude, good stuff, man. Shout out to Zachary, dude. Honestly, we've been doing pretty well. We just caught the Qs this morning. So yeah, in the the mornings I do my live streams, and then at market open I do like to go inside the Discord, try to find a day trade or two, and then get back on live right after. And yeah, that's the routine pretty much. Always curious how this works. And yes, guys, I'll definitely go over more examples. Obviously, no, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research, not financial advice. So please do your own research. But yes, we'll go over some more examples, and that's pretty much all I'll be doing for the live stream. So right here, what am I seeing? And this is a, not the best example, but still, there is a top wall, there is a bottom wall here as well, as you can see. And under us, there is a little bit of empty space, where there are no candles consolidating. Obviously, there's resistance here, so there is a main level there. That looks really good. But yes, guys, please remember, not financial advice. I'm only going over examples. Yo, shout out to Zachary, man. Let's go ahead and pin that comment. Shout out to Jesus as well. And let's get straight to it. Obviously, yeah, shout out to Potter Stocks as well. As you can see, yes, first take profit would still be the middle of the move. And we'll go over some more examples. This is still not bad though. So yes, we are still consolidating, as you can see. So there's just nothing there for me right now. So let's keep on going. Let's go to actually, let me go back to the Qs really quickly. Let's see what the damage is there. So the Qs, this is a, hold on, maybe not the Qs. There was another example here that I was looking for. 1 second. I think this was on the 30-minute chart. So yeah, we'll go down to a 30-minute. Let's see. All right, so this is what I was waiting for on SPY. And yes, same thing with the Qs, kind of just moves along together. But what is this? What are we seeing? So right here, let me go ahead and zoom in. And we're kind of close. We're kind of close here. And this is on the 30-minute chart. So yes, I look for the same trade on each and every time frame. Obviously, yes, we do mostly swing trading. So if you see it in my Discord, if you see it in the gains page, you see we mostly swing trade. But yes, I do like to, do a little extra work for the Discord and find some day trades for us as well. But yeah, same thing here. What am I seeing? What am I seeing, guys and gals? And yes, not financial advice, so please do your own research. We have this clear, easy move down of all these red candles with no green candles interfering. And this is exactly what I would want to take to the upside. Obviously, yes, what do we need? Top wall and also a bottom wall. And this is basically an area of consolidation that needs to be broken in order for us to target to the upside. As you can see, what is this? Our top wall that needs to be broken. You can see body wick and also a body candle closing directly at the same line. So this is where price is having a very hard time getting over. And let's just say we do end up breaking above that wall, that level. I don't see any resistance, guys. And so boom, this green candle right here. Yes, inside of the middle is our empty space. Obviously, if you want to drop, this is still a small Potter box, so that's another box there. And yes, that looks fairly decent. Obviously, there's no entry right now. We just have to wait. But yeah, that doesn't look bad. First take profit would still be the middle of the move, and that middle of this move is his 55202. So yeah, still looks fairly decent. I personally, I'm done with. I probably will be done with the day trades today, unless we can find something great. But like on the video, I think there was something on here. Yo, appreciate you all for tuning in. Thank you all so much for the likes. Thank you all so much. So I think, yeah, this was on a 2 hour or 4 hour. So same thing. No, I think this was on a 1 hour, I believe. So this looks absolutely amazing here, and we'll go ahead and break this down. So first thing I see, let's just say we're opening up the laptop, we're trying to find a trade, and hold on, let me make sure the Discord is fine, let me make sure they're striving, all that good stuff. Yeah, we're good. Hold on 1 second here. All right, yeah, we're good. Yeah, the chat is fine. We're doing amazing. Why can't you do an entry now at a later date? So that's actually a very good question. And let's just say, and yes, guys, not telling you guys to buy anything, so do your own research, of course. So the reason why I don't buy early, so let's just go ahead, let me break this example down. We have this empty space, and then we have a top wall. We also have this bottom wall here. And this top wall that needs to be broken is, let's see, 1 second here. So let me just go ahead and get, all this set up. So pretty much there's another wall in the area of consolidation. And let's just say, why don't I enter in early? If we are consolidating, obviously, yes, we know about the early punchback entry. But the reason why I don't enter in early is because if we're stuck in consolidation, that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to consolidate. As you can see, what happens here? We're basically still consolidating here. And I'm looking for an area of no consolidation. And as you can see, yes, what is this? Consolidation. I don't want to take a trade in it. I would only care about this trade if we can break outside of consolidation going into the next box. So yes, so we're trading from one box to the next box. So right now, yes, what is there to do? Obviously nothing. There's literally nothing for us to do because we're consolidating in between these two levels. I can go ahead and even, circle exactly what I'm targeting. Candles with no consolidation, so boom. And right now, yes, I wait. And I set my trades, and I set my targets, and I wait. Either they work or they don't. Obviously, yes, guys, not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research. Not telling you guys to buy anything. I'm only going over examples right now, and that's pretty much it. But yeah, as you can see, yes, what are we doing? We're consolidating. I don't want to be a part of this trade here. Wouldn't the strike price be more once it breaks out? So once it breaks out, yes, it will be a little bit more, of course. So if you, lower price, you get it cheaper. But yes, if we consolidate, yeah, the theta will burn. So shout out to Moneybags. He's actually inside the Discord. So yeah, this is another reason why I don't like getting in. If we're consolidating, even if it's going up and we're still, just BSing around, these theta contracts, will definitely eat up, and I just don't want to be in those contracts. Looking for a clear, easy move. But yeah, shout out to Moneybags. That was the perfect explanation. Can I do spot? Yeah, I can definitely spot for you. No worries. So yes, the strike price will still be a little bit more expensive, but that's all right. All right, yeah, let's keep on going. You want to do SPY? Yeah, we can do SPY. Let me do Tesla really quickly. Haven't seen Tesla at all, and then we can do SPY for you. Let's see, 1 hour, 2 hour, 2 hour. There we go. Come on, bring it back. Bring the box back. 2 hour chart. There we go. All right, so yeah, same thing here. Yeah, Tesla does look really, really good. Looks like, obviously, yes, you got to do your own research, not financial advice. But as you can see, yes, let's go ahead and break this one down. Obviously, I have this box. We did this on the 2 hour a little bit earlier. TSLL, yeah, I definitely have a lot of members that trade TSLL. You definitely get a lot more contracts for sure. Yeah, so let's see. All right, this doesn't, this caught my eye right here and doesn't look bad at all. What do we have here? I'm looking at this clear, easy move up of all these green candles with no red candles interfering. And what do we have here? Look at SOFI. Yeah, I'll definitely take a look. No worries, man. I got you, bro. I got you. So yes, we have a top wall. We also have a bottom wall here that look really good. And what is this? Our bottom wall. We see points of contact, body candle and another body candle closing directly at the same line. This is where price is having a very hard time getting under. So yes, this is the area of consolidation. We don't want to take a trade here. If we break outside of consolidation, I will be targeting into the next area of consolidation, which is this red candle down here. And yes, what is this, guys? Also, another wall. So this is another box. So yes, we're trading from basically from one box to the next box. Obviously, yes, first take profit will still be the imbalance, the middle of the move. And that middle of this move is from my entry to my exit, the literal middle. And that doesn't look bad at all. Yo, RJ, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. Tilray, dude, yeah, I gotta look at all that. Hold on, guys. Give me 1 second. I'll be right back. Give me 1 second. appreciate y'all for sticking by. I'm back. I swear I'm back. I'm here. All right, so we'll keep on going. So yes, we did have Tesla. We're still waiting on this one. This does look pretty fire. We have this clear move up. All of these green candles with no red candles interfering. This is exactly what I'm leaning on to the downside. Obviously, yes, if you are tuning into the live stream, make sure you guys know, not financial advice. Please do your own research. But honestly, yes, this is what we had today. I can't show you anything else but the charts. Let's see. My bad, I'm eating some orange right now. But yes, we had a clear move down, and with no consolidation, we ended up breaking above the level. And I was waiting for a break and hold over. And as you can see, what happened here. We ended up breaking and holding over that wall. So I looked for the same setup each day, and I did call this out in the VIP chat. As you can see, this is the day trading alerts. But yeah, that's in the Discord. And if you guys and gals do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. You guys can join up. Hold on 1 second here. SPY. Alright, so SPY, let's keep on going. So we did Tesla. Let's go to another stock, another trade here. Let's go to Sony. 1 second, 1 second. So annoying. I know. So yeah, that one I will be honest, I was favoring some puts, but you know, I saw that setup and I was like, you know, that still looks fairly decent. So you know, it was more of a yellow entry for me. Obviously, yes, not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research, of course. But yeah, please do your own research, of course. So INTC, let's keep on going. Oh wait, I gotta do SOFI. That's exactly what you wanted me to do. Let's do it. Oh, SOFI. Okay, okay. Doesn't look bad there. Doesn't look that terrible. I'm not gonna lie to you. So yeah, what do we... All right, yeah, we did this on the 4 hours. So yeah, same thing here. Let's go ahead and, you know, we'll break it down. We'll break this down. My alert didn't go off, so hold on. Give me a second. So let's go ahead and break this down. Yo, Yoni, what's up? Yo, CRBG. Yeah, I'll definitely take a look at that. All right, cool. So what do we have here? So same thing. Same exact thing. This is what I'm looking at. And obviously, yes, guys, not financial advice. Please do your own research. I'm only going over the chart. So yes, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything. So please do your own research. So yes, what is this? Beautiful top wall. Beautiful bottom wall. We have a wall that needs to be broken. This is what? 1231 area. I'm looking for the next area of resistance. I don't see anything except for here, this 1307. Obviously, the imbalance is obviously going to be my first TP on every single trade. Doesn't matter. And what is this right here? The empty space. So right now, yes, we are consolidating in between these two levels. So there's just nothing for me to do. Yes, we do options here, and all my trades that, you know, I post in the, you know, games page and Discord, they're all options plays, things of that sort. So yes, if you plan on joining the Discord, you can join the free chat. We have the VIP chat where we give out signals. Obviously, we call QQQ today. But personally, yeah, you don't even have to join VIP. You can even, you know, just join the free version, see how you like it, all that good stuff. But yes, please make sure to do your own research. Not financial advice. So personally, if you're in my VIP Discord, I mainly will go live probably the last 20 minutes before market closes. That's when I actually get into my entries for my swing trades. I know it sounds crazy, but yes, the last hour is when we mainly get into all of our swing trades. But yeah, for the day trades, I definitely will type them out, things of that sort. So yes, I do give signals inside of Discord with entries, exits, with contracts I'm looking at. But yes, guys, please make sure to do your own research, not financial advice. So please, before you do anything, do your own research. Not telling you guys to buy anything. So yes, please do your own research. But yeah, I'm definitely going to keep an eye on this one. It doesn't look bad at all. But yeah, link is in the bio for the Discord if you guys plan on joining. Oh wow, Pep, hold on. Let's see. Let's look at some more. PayPal. Oh wow, looks like PayPal may be doing something soon. Let me look at Target really quickly. So yes, all my trades are going to look exactly the same. I don't change anything. Even Target looks pretty good. Hold on. Oh yeah, I've been waiting on this one, haven't I? I don't have my alert set on that one either. I gotta set my alerts. I promise, I gotta set them. All right, so alert set. Alert, cool. So anyways, right here, what am I seeing? And you know what? We'll go ahead and yes, I already did it, but we'll do it again. So you guys know my thought process, all that good stuff. Nvidia has earnings today. Oh wow. Yeah, we'll definitely take a look at that. So right now, what are we seeing here? I'm looking for clear empty space. So first thing that I saw was this clear move down of all these red candles with no green candles interfering. And this is exactly what I would want to the upside. Let me go ahead and get rid of this so you guys aren't confused. And as you can see, what do we need? We need an area of consolidation. So we need a top wall and also a bottom wall. And as you can see, where is this top wall that I'm looking at? Points of contact. So I see body wick, body candle, and another body wick closing directly at the same line. And yes, if we end up breaking above that level, that wall, I don't see any resistance, guys, until boom, this 103 area. Obviously, yes, what is this as well? This is also another box. And right now, yes, we cannot do anything. We are consolidating in between these levels. I definitely won't be taking a trade on this at all. Oh, next Wednesday. Okay, cool. So yes, guys, not telling you guys to buy anything. I'm only going over examples. So please do your own research. But yeah, right now, I'm just going to sit on my hands, do nothing. We have empty space that looks good at some point in time. So, it could happen, a month from now, a week from now, tomorrow. It really just depends. But right now, if we're consolidating, I'm not doing a single thing except for waiting. And yes, that's pretty much it. That's all I would, do for that trade, is just wait. So yeah, let's look at some more trades. So that was on Target. Let's look at some different ones. Let's see. MU. Oh, let's see what NU's doing. Oh, wow. Even NU going crazy. Okay. Not bad here. All right, yes. Same thing here. And I like trading NU. It's because contracts are, pretty cheap on these. And yes, in my Discord, I tend to buy, I don't like buying expensive contracts. I don't, want to tell my members, oh, get into this expensive contract. No. Obviously, yes, there are some that will be more expensive, but yeah, I don't like doing that. But yes, guys, just remember, not financial advice. Please do your own research. So yes, not financial advice. Before you tune into the live stream, make sure to do your own research. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm only going over examples here. And yes, I'm not trading until, later today. All right, so for NU, this is what I'm seeing here. This looks honestly not bad. I definitely like it. So same thing here. This is what I'm clearly seeing. So the first thing that really caught my eye here was this clear move down of all these red candles with no green candles interfering. What do I see here? Top wall. I think I had a, bottom wall there. It's fine. Yeah, top wall. Also this bottom wall there. That looked really good. As you can see, what is this? Points of contact. So body candle, closing directly at the same line. And I'm looking for the next resistance. Obviously, yes, I'm looking for the most recent. Yes, Gavin Trim here, but personally, I want to take it up to the most recent, and that is where this 1349. Obviously, yes, it's another box. So we don't want to trade inside of consolidation. So for in consolidation, I am not taking a trade. Like right now, no, I'm not taking any trades. I'm not telling you guys to buy anything. So yes, you all have to do your own research. But yeah, I'm definitely not taking anything unless we can break from a box so I can target into the next one. And that's pretty much it. That's exactly how I do all my trades every single day. And I pretty much don't change it at all. Neo, yeah, gotcha, man. I can do it for the dude. I haven't even seen Neo in a while. So yeah, NIO, let's do it. We definitely do that. So yeah, that is on NU. That does look pretty fire. All we have to do now is just wait. Let me see what the Qs are doing. Let me see how far it is from my. Oh wow, my final take probably was this 461. It's at this 464. Absolutely wild. Target smack, man. So hold on, give me a second here. So NIO, yeah, let's definitely look at that. Yeah, no worries at all. Oh, looks like I had. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Dude, oh my gosh, I I forgot about this one. This one could have, you know what? I did not set my alert. It's fine. But look what happened. I literally just pulled this chart up. You can see my first take profit literally just got touched. And no, I'm not into this trade. Not telling guys to get in either. But wow, I don't even remember doing this one. So yeah, we had a. I just love seeing my targets get smacked. It's great. Obviously with the Qs today. But dang, this could have been a swing from yesterday, but you know, obviously didn't even see it. So the first thing that I saw here was this clear move down of all these red candles with no green candles interfering. We had this top wall that needed to be broken. Body candle, body wick closing a direct line. We end up breaking above this level. And as you can see, we went up and tapped into my first take profit. Obviously the final take profit is up here, but as you can see, this is the imbalance. This is where price can end up rejecting. And as you can see, we're ending up struggling here. So hold on, let me make sure the VIP chat, they're doing okay, they're doing good, all that good stuff. Yeah, we're good. We're all yeah, we're good. We're good. Yeah, I can definitely take a look at meta. Yeah, no worries. So Neo, wow, perfect, literal touch, right on live. And yes, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. But I just pulled these charts up. I think I did this. I probably did it like 2 days ago or the other day. But yeah, we did end up touching that. Not bad though. Not bad. Yeah, no worries, man. Got you. Yeah, let me do meta for you guys. And yes, if you have any other things you want me to look at, any questions, just drop them down below. Hold on. I'm not gonna lie to you. I can't lie. I can't lie. Hold on. Give me a second. Just give me a second. That 4 hour did look really good though. Can't lie to you. All right, so on the 4 hour at least. Give me a second here. So I see something on the 2 hour and also the 4 hour as well. There is. Okay, so yes. There's the top wall. There's also this bottom wall here as well. We have this top. Also, this other top, as you can see, clear empty space. To the downside, to the upside. As you can see, we did end up touching the imbalance, so that move is pretty much done. We touched the imbalance. As you can see, that's the first take profit. But what do I see here? Let's go down to a 2 hour chart. And yes, guys, please do your own research. Not financial advice. So yes, you have to do your own research, of course. And yes, if you guys and gals do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio for the Discord. You can join the free chat, also the VIP as well. All right. Same thing here. What am I seeing? I see clear empty space. I see something that looks absolutely amazing. You explained it. Yo, thank you so much. Really appreciate it. Shout out to Crystal for pulling up. Thank you so much. Alright, so yeah, I can definitely do that. Yeah, definitely. No worries. Alright, so yeah, same thing here. What do we have? Not gonna lie to you, this, I hope this, you know, catches your eye too. Clear move up of all these green candles with no red candles interfering. And what do I need? I need a top wall and also a bottom wall. So, top, bottom, and yes, the points of contacts that I personally go by are either wicks or body candles. So yes, it could either be just wicks, it could also be body candles, or sometimes both. Top wall, I saw 2 body candles closing at directly the same price. And this bottom wall here, as you can see, body candle, body wick, closing directly at the same line. That's where price is having a hard time getting under. And yes, guys, obviously not financial advice, so please do your own research. You have to do your own research, of course. I'm only going over examples here. As you can see, body candle, body wick. This is where buyers are controlling this floor. So buyers are going to do their best to keep price pushing up, not allowing us to the empty space where there is no resistance. So if we do end up breaking under this wall, where's the resistance, guys? I don't see any until this red candle here. Yes, if you want to make yourself feel better, this is another box here, which is obviously another box. So we don't want to trade inside of consolidation. We want to trade to consolidation. And we have, inside the middle, exactly what we're targeting. Obviously, yes, we have to wait. There's literally nothing for us to do. So yeah, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything. So you all have to do your own research. But yeah, there's just literally nothing for us to do anyways, except for just wait. And as you can see, empty spaces here. And yeah, I don't care if it goes up, to $1 million. I wouldn't care at all. I would only care if we can end up breaking and closing under this level and targeting to the empty space. But as of right now, yeah, I definitely don't care about that at all. But yeah, definitely looks good though. Yo, Moneybags, thanks for the likes. Really appreciate it. If you hear me chewing, I'm eating oranges right now. I got some oranges. They're good. But anyways, so that was on Meta. Let's go to something different. Let's go to, honestly, let's see what Nike's doing. Oh wow, Nike too. I did not go over Nike. Hold on. NKE, yeah, let's definitely go over this one as well. So yeah, same thing here. What am I seeing? I'm looking at empty space. I'm looking at candles with no consolidation. Obviously, what is this right here? And we'll go ahead and break it down too. I think we went over this, but it's fine. But hopefully, end of the day, we can actually get this entry if we can. As you can see, empty space. So I see clear move down of all of these red candles with no green candles interfering. And yes, this is exactly what I would want to take directly to the upside. Obviously, my first take, or obviously my wall here, looking for points of contact. And the points of contact that I pretty much see here is, yes, there's a body candle and there's also a wick closing directly at the same line. And right now, this is an area of consolidation that needs to be broken in order for us to actually take it to the upside. So right now, yes, let's just say we do end up breaking above this wall here. I don't see any resistance, guys, until boom. This other green candle here, that looks absolutely amazing. And yes, I don't change anything. You can ask the members, you can ask the team members. I don't change anything. I don't care if I'm in a 24-hour chart, if I'm on a weekly chart, a 1 minute. I will, find a trade with the same method, and I look for the same empty space with the potter boxes, and that's pretty much it. Obviously, yes, first take profit would still be the middle of the move. So actually, let me go back to SPY really quickly. You know what? We'll go back to SPY really quickly. Let's see if I can find like a 5-minute or a 1-minute trade. And yeah, we already caught the cues a little bit earlier. I should have done the cues, but it's fine. Only if there's a setup. So if I see a setup, that's the only time that I would love to take a trade. But if I don't see any setup, I'm not taking anything. Nothing whatsoever. Obviously, yes, guys, you have to do your own research, not financial advice. So please do your own research. So actually, this 5-minute chart did look pretty fire that I did end up seeing. Not bad. So obviously, yes, I don't like taking trades on a 1 minute or, on a low time frame because lower, time frame, lower rewards, of course. But yes, what is this, guys? What are we seeing? Give me a second here. Give me a second. So yes, right here, what are we seeing? I see beauty. Hold on, did not mean to move that. Under us, what is this? Clear empty space. So there is no consolidation here. And this is exactly what I want to the downside. Obviously, yes. What is this as well? Yo, what's up? Shout out to Michael and shout out to Mr. Green. How are you today, man? Good to see you once again. Obviously, yes, this middle of this move is called the empty space. This is exactly what I'm looking for, what I'm targeting. Obviously, first take profit would still be the middle of the move. And right now, what are we doing? We are consolidating. So yes, there is just nothing for us to do except for wait. And yes, guys, please remember, not financial advice. So please do your own research before doing anything. But yeah, right now, we can't do anything at all except for wait. We have the clear empty space move up. And this is exactly what I'm targeting every single day. So all my trades, all of my targets are pretty much, so hold on one second here. Let's see. And yes, we caught the cues today. I did not even post it. I'm looking for empty space, no consolidation. We end up breaking above on a higher time frame, I want us to go and tap. Dude, yeah, so that's exactly why I don't like taking trades on a lower time frame, because if I'm looking for the same exact thing, why would I want to go to a lower time frame for a small move when I can, go to a higher time frame and make a bigger move? So BABA or BA, clear move down. I'm looking for a clear move up. We target to the upside. DLTR. This is what just yesterday. DLTR. And obviously we caught the keys earlier today too as well. But yeah, we'll go over pretty much everything. And yes, this is all of my Discord. So yes, you can scroll through. You can literally scroll through and see what we've done. You can see what the members have done inside of the Discord as well. Link is in the bio for the Discord. Honestly, join the free version. See what we just did. And the games page, you can look at the testimonials, all that good stuff. I will have to post the cues a little bit after this live. But yes, empty space, clear move up. That's all that I'm targeting. I cannot show you anything else. You have to do your own research, so please, guys, do your own research. Not telling you guys to buy anything, of course. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm gonna get some more water. Give me 1 second. I'll be right back. Oh man. Alright, I don't know why. That was the worst time for that song to come on. I don't know why. They have that in a playlist. But yes, we're here. Sorry you had to hear that. That terrible song. But anyways, it's just a random playlist anyways. I day trade scalp on the 3 minute. What time frame would be best for? I didn't. Dude, yeah, you can do it on any time frame. You can see this is a 5 minute chart. Obviously, yes, the 1 minute, the 3 minute can work too. And I'm not gonna lie, if I trade futures, I do like the 3 minute chart. Obviously, 3 minute is going to be still a little bit different. So let's just say even this, a 3 minute chart here. Obviously, yes, I like to take swing trades to catch the full move. So the higher time frame, the 24 hour, the 4 hour, and the 1 hour, 2 hour are going to be my best friends. But yes, lower time frame, you can still find trades. Obviously, yes, just make sure you guys know, not financial advice. So please do your own research. So yes, not financial advice. And yes, I do one-on-one classes as well. If you guys are interested, just give me a DM as well. Or you can join my free Discord, links in the bio. Or you can just watch my live streams. I'm live pretty much every day. Yo, Jacob, what's up, dude? How are you, man? Yeah, I can definitely do a video for you. Yeah, no worries. Alright, so, same thing here. What am I seeing? Yo, shout out to Crystal with the follows. Really appreciate it. Alright, so 3 minute. Doesn't matter what time frame I'm on. We can still do it. What do we have here? Clear move up. All these green candles with no red candles interfering. And what do we see? And obviously, yes, this is a 3 minute chart, so I'm definitely not taking this trade at all. This is more of just an example. If I take the spot of the keys, this is going to be like on the 1 hour, 2 hour, possibly the 30 minute. And as you can see, we have the AP space. What do we have here? Top wall, bottom wall too. And in the middle, we have what is the imbalance. So what was your question? Let me know. I got to scroll up. 1 second here. Give me a second. Let me see your question. Yeah, just drop your question and let me know, man. But yeah, right now, as you can see, there's just nothing for us to do except for wait. Looks like on the 5 minute, there is that box there. So right now, buyers are still in control of that level, so there's just nothing for us to do. Spot on the 15 minute. Yeah, I can do the 15 minute. So yeah, it doesn't matter what time frame. 15 minute. Oh yeah, dude, that 15 minute looks amazing actually. So yes, what is this top wall? There's a bottom wall there. That looks pretty good. We're pretty much bunched up right there. And yes, thanks for the rose. Really appreciate it. And yes, guys, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. So please, before doing anything, do your own research, of course. As you can see, I don't see any resistance until here. This, yes. What is this? Another wall, another box. So if you got, so let's just say for an example, if you got into a trade, before, it broke the box, the pros is, yes, you could be up a lot more. And, by the time we're supposed to enter, you'll be up a lot more. But the cons is, your stop loss. So you just have to figure out your stop loss. The only reason I don't like getting in early because, those contracts do like to decay. But as you can see, yes, guys, what is this? Clear move up. All these green candles with no red candles interfering. We end up breaking below a level, a wall. Don't see any resistance until this other box. So we're basically trading from one consolidation area to another. And what are we doing here? We're consolidating. There is nothing for us to do. So yes, not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research. But yeah, we're consolidating. You can see buyers step in. They're still in control of this floor. So buyers' job is to keep price pushing up, and sellers are at the top, and their job is to keep price pushing down. Thanks for the likes, Chris. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. All right. As you can see, that was on the 15 minute. Right now, we're consolidating. There's just nothing for us to do. So same thing with here. So what do we have? One second here. One second. So the trade that I, had this morning, it was more of a yellow trade. But anyways, we had a clear move down. We ended up breaking above a level, a wall. And this is what I was waiting for. We have our, we have it set. I don't wait. I don't, get in early. I just wait for my turn. And, if I have to consolidate all day, I don't care about it. I don't care about if I don't have a trade. So that was the before. You could see the after. Boom, we go up and tap. We passed it. We were holding above. I got in. Obviously, yes, not financial advice. I'm only going over examples, so please do your own research. And we call this in the day trading alert. So you can see we got into this trade I called this morning. Boom, you can see that. That was the first trade that we ended up doing. Obviously, yes, we do mainly focus on end of day swing trading. So our end of day swings is mainly going to be our main focus here. But yeah, everything's linked in the bio if you do want to join the Discord for sure. Thanks for the follows. Really appreciate it. Thank you so much. So right now, if I have a trade, and I have all these trades pretty much set, I don't change anything. So, but yes, guys, not financial advice. Please do your own research. I'm only going over examples here. Not telling you guys to buy anything. But yes, everything I do is going to be exactly the same. I have my trade set. So let's just say if I have this trade set here, and I call it out in the Discord or something. Obviously, it's a 15 minute. I definitely wouldn't do this one. But yes, I have my trade set and I wait. And if it consolidates, I'm not getting in. I'm not going to tell my members, oh, get in. No, I'm not going to do that. Once we have a valid entry, that's exactly when we do it for sure. But right now, yes, for this one, there's no entry, not financial advice. So please do your own research. You have to do your own research, of course. Thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. And BA. So BA was another one that we did end up catching. As you can see, what was this? And this one actually hit my final take profit. And as you can see, let's look. This was like literally yesterday. This was literally yesterday. 1 second here. Hold on, let me scroll through. 1 second. So BA, as you can see, this was the beforehand. Looking for that clear move down. So that's BA. So BA, clear move down. So that's the before. This is the after. So same exact thing, same exact charts. I'm waiting for a candle body breaking above. We go up and tap it. And that's pretty much all that I do. So BA on the hourly. So yeah, definitely, I'm done with that trade. If my targets get hit, I'm done with the trade. I'm not taking that anymore. Let's see. So hourly. Oh man, I'm not gonna lie to you. So okay, give me a second here. All right, so at least for the up section here. So, you know, yes, same exact thing here, guys. And yes, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. So please do your own research before doing anything here. But what am I seeing? And I'm looking at a clear move down. So all these red candles with no green candles interfering. This is exactly what I want to the upside. Obviously, what is this? Top wall. We also have a bottom wall here. And as you can see, body candle, body candle, body candle, closing above this wall here. We end up breaking above this level of this wall. Don't see any resistance until this green candle here. And that looks really decent. Obviously, if you want to make it, you know, a little bit easier on yourself, you can obviously think about it as this. One box to the next box. So if we're inside of the box, we don't want to take a trade. But if we end up breaking outside of the box, outside of the wall, we want to start getting to the next consolidation. Obviously, yes, there's no entry right now. Not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research. First take profit would still be the middle of the move. And as you can see, that is the imbalance. So from the entry to the exit, the literal middle is exactly what I use each and every day. Obviously, where are we at? We're consolidating. We aren't even above my level, so there's just nothing for us to do right now. Except for to wait. And I'm going to wait for all the trades. I don't care. Like even yesterday, guys, I didn't have any swing trades. So, and you know, the day before that, you know, we took profits yesterday morning, but yesterday at close, I didn't have any swing trades. There were, you know, some positions that were waiting to trigger, but this morning we stayed patient, got into the queues, and that was pretty much it. And yes, the end of the day today, we have a couple good swings that I do see that that I can end up taking. But right now, I'm not doing anything. I'll probably be done until the end of the day, unless I can find like 1 or 2 more day trades for us. But that's pretty much it. But yes, guys, please do your own research, not financial advice. So please, before you do anything, do your own research, of course. All right, as you can see, top wall, bottom wall there. And there is a point of contact. So there is. Yo, 3,000 likes. You guys are going crazy. Thank you so much for all the likes. Really appreciate it. Thank you so much. And boom, yes. What is in the middle? Or, yes, the middle is the empty space that we're seeing. That looks pretty decent. Actually, hold on. Wait, I am tripping right now. Wait, one second. There we go. All right, so right here. Top wall, bottom wall. Messing my lines up, my bad. Cool, perfect. Yeah, my bad. I didn't mean to do it. I meant to put it on the red. I was like, oh, I didn't even see that I did it. But yeah, I fixed it. But yeah, I can do PLTR for you. Yeah, no worries. I looked at it. I was like, wait, hold on. Why is my line there? And then so yeah, I fixed it. All right, yeah, that does look pretty good. But yeah, there's still a wait time on that. PLTR, as you can see, man. So yes, this was a trade that I did end up calling out, but and yes, you can see that I called, but no, I didn't enter into this one. I think a few members did, but this one I did end up. So I did end up. Hold on, 1 second here. So this was. Hold on, give me a second. So yeah, this was on what, the 22nd here. You can see in my potential setups in the VIP chat, 24-hour calls, PLTR. This was the before here. And my first take profit was this 104.36 area. And as you can see, we did go and touch that 104.36 area. So yes, we had this clear move down of no consolidation. We ended up breaking above this wall. We ended up breaking above this level here, which allowed us the entry to the empty space. Obviously, yes, I'm done with this trade. I'm not even in this trade because, you know, I missed it, but a couple of my members seen the call out and then decided to get in. But yes, not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research. But yeah, we had the empty space there. Boom, fire. Obviously, you know, yes, we did want that at 112, but it doesn't look bad there. But this is where, you know, it can end up reversing. 10 a.m. So, dude, yeah, I'm definitely write that down. I think I already have the charts up too for that for 10 a.m. Yeah, we do. There is a lot of news for, you know, on 10 a.m. for sure. But yes, guys, thank you so much. I will be getting off now. I have a lot of work to do inside of the Discord. And yes, the end of day swings will be happening So yes, if you do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. You can join the free chat, or you can also join my VIP chat where we give out signals. But yeah, see you all soon. In Jesus' name, amen. I'll see you all later.